Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Ninja Tech. In this video we will see how can we configure Telnet server and how can we use Telnet to access the Linux from client computer. So let's get started. First of all, you need to be in the root directory. So before starting, let me tell you about Telnet server and what is the use of Telnet server. The Telnet protocol provides a standard method for terminal devices and terminal-oriented processes to interface. Telnet is commonly used by terminal emulation programs that allow you to log into a remote host. However, Telnet can also be used for terminal-to-terminal communication and inter-process communication. Telnet is also used by other protocols for establishing a protocol control channel. Mainly we use Telnet to control the remote host device. Let's get started. The first step will verify that Telnet server is installed or not. For verification purpose, we will write rpm -q. It is showing that package Telnet is not installed. Now check the Telnet server. So both Telnet and Telnet server are not installed. So first we will install. So now the second step is to install Telnet and Telnet server packages. For this write yum. Now press enter. So now the installation process is begun. So now the installation process is completed. Now we will again querying about Telnet and Telnet server to verify whether these packages are installed or not. So again we will write, so yes, it is installed, and yes, server is also installed. Now we will start the Telnet service, and making this service start automatically on every reboot. So for this purpose we will write systemctl start telnet.socket. Now press enter. Now we will enable the Telnet service. So now it is also enabled. Now we will enable Telnet service through firewall. So for this write, now press enter. So it is displaying the message success. Now again write firewall -cmd. Now press enter. So it is also success. Now the next step, create users. So to add user, we will add user add. Let's give it the name Ninja. Now password for the same user, Ninja. So now we have to write the password. Password should be at least of 8 characters. So it is showing the message all authentication tokens updated successfully. Now the next step is to finding the IP address of our Telnet server. For this in Linux we write ifconfig. Now we have to find our IP. So in our case the IP is 10.0.2.15. So we have to choose the very first LAN card, which is 10.0.2.15. So you can note down it or otherwise remember it in your case. In my case it is 10.0.2.15. Now you need to go to the Windows, because now we will do configuration of client side. So now the next step is to do client side configurations. So for this I will go into the Windows and I will open the control panel, and now I have opened the control panels. Now I will go to the programs. Now turn Windows feature. Now click on this option, turn Windows feature on and off. Now check the Telnet client box and in my case it is already checked. In your case you have to make it checked like this. Now click OK. Now the Telnet client is installed in your Windows operating system. Now we will go to Windows command line. You can open command prompt and now write telnet and now write the IP address which we have discovered before. In my case it was 10.0.2.15. Now enter. It is connecting to 10.0.2.15. You can see we have remotely accessing our CentOS 7 via Telnet. So you can also check this from here. Write Telnet like this. So now you have to enter the login username which we have created. So now I'm writing ninja, and now you have to write the password which you have created before. So now it is accessed. So we have remotely accessed our CentOS 7. That's how it works. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care.